Hey, I'm back and we are still working in Chapter 10, creating 3D objects from our textbook Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud Revealed. And in this exercise, we're going to add a bevel shape to an object's edge. So we are going to first save out the changes that we've made thus far. And then we are going to go to View on the menu bar. And we're going to click on Dog. The text has been converted to outlines and made into a compound path. Has it? Let me see. Well, I won't question that. I will just assume they're telling me the truth. But if you were to have to do that yourself, I'm just going to really quickly run through that. If I can. Trying to get rid of the pink around it. Remember, when it's pink like that, it indicates that there's typeface that it was designed with that you don't have on your system. You can see that little diamond beside it. So I'm going to click on this just regular Myriad and see if that works, which it did. Then I am going to make it a little bit larger. Then I'm going to go up under Type and create outlines, just in case you've forgotten how that's done. And then I'm going to go up to Object, down to Compound Path, and Make. And that's why I wonder about them having a compound path, because normally, even though it's there, you'll see it's there when I go to the outline mode. Normally you don't see any fill in it, unless maybe they've already added a fill. Let's see if I can do that. There you go. I guess you can. All right, so learn to trust the textbook, Nancy. Here we are. I'm going to put these back up here so we're not so crunched together. The text has been converted to outlines and made into a compound path. We're going to get the selection tool and click any letter of the text. So any one, and that selects the entire compound path. Then we're going to go to Effect on the menu bar. We're going to point to 3D, and then we're going to point to Extrude and Bevel. We're going to click the Preview box on, and then we are going to change the Extrude depth value to 25 points and hit Tab. Now we're going to click the Choose Bevel Shape list arrow. We're going to click on Classic. Wow, see the change that that does. Isn't that nice? And then verify that the height value is set to 4 points, which it is. And then compare your screen to figure 28 or mine on the screen. Note that the Bevel Extent In button is pressed. And then note the change to the graphic as shown in figure 29. We want to click the Bevel Extent Out button first though, so we're going to click this. And you'll see the issue here that they're talking about in the lower right hand corner. That's a self-intersection problem. The warning dialog box says that the bevel self-intersection may have occurred, and note that the problem with the graphic encircled in the figure. And you really do have to watch for these closely, because just from past experience, they're very hard to notice right away. You just have to make sure that you pay close attention to that. So we're going to click the Bevel Extent In button. Then we're going to click complex 2. That's nice too. And your graphic should resemble figure 30 or mine on the screen. Click OK, save your work, we're going to click OK, do a Command or Control S, and then we can close out Extrude Objects. And this was a fast one. I'll be back in another moment to work on the next exercise with you. Thank you.